Do you want to make money in freelancing? Welcome to the world that is in a constant state of flux, the world of freelancing. This realm, very much like the one we inhabit, thrives on the concept of change. Alterations in work culture, the job market, professional demands, it's all in flux. As the global wheel turns, we need to turn with it. This means we're required to keep evolving, enhancing our skill set, learning new things, and keeping ourselves abreast of market needs. This ultimate guide to not just surviving but thriving in this shifting landscape. It's all about foreseeing the future before it materializes. Consider this video a compass, guiding you through the ocean of transformations, arming you with insights about the top freelancing skills in demand in 2024. Picture yourself as a career nomad, standing at the junction of change, pondering a new path, a fresh new beginning. Or you could be a veteran freelancer skilled in your field but now yearning for new opportunities, new territories to explore. In both situations, wouldn't it be beneficial to know what's trending and what's not in the freelancing market? Wouldn't it be an advantage to have a roadmap, a guide that highlights the skills that are going to be in high demand, the sectors that will be flourishing in the future? That's our agenda for this video. We're here to delve into the ebb and flow and emerging trends in the market, them in detail. We'll shine a spotlight on highly coveted skills like digital marketing, data science, and various programming languages. We'll discuss the significance of each skill, their contribution to the freelancing market, and why they'll be increasingly vital in 2024. In the freelancing world, success stems from being proactive rather than reactive. It's not simply about keeping up with the pack, but being a step ahead. It's about predicting the future, readying yourself for it, and when it comes, grasping the opportunities it brings. After all, those who plan for the future today are the ones who own it tomorrow. So, are you ready to leap into the future of freelancing? Stay with us as we unveil the top freelancing skills you should be equipped with in 2024. First, let's understand the current landscape of the freelance market. It's a world where the traditional 9-to-5 is becoming obsolete. Today, many professionals are opting for the freelance route, valuing the freedom it offers, the liberty to choose the type of work, the clients, and the timing and location of work. This shift towards work from anywhere has been hastened by technological advancements. The internet, with its multitude of digital platforms, has made it easy to match skilled professionals with enterprises seeking their specific expertise, no matter their global location. It's a 24/7 global marketplace for talent. But what's fueling this freelance economy? One word: specialization. In an era of easy access to information, businesses value specialized skills more than ever. It's about what you can do and how well you can do it. Can you create content that embodies a brand's voice? Can you analyze data to provide business insights? Can you design a functional and visually pleasing website? If you can, you're ahead of the game. Freelancing offers benefits. Apart from flexibility and control over your career, it diversifies your income streams. You're not limited to one employer but can work on multiple projects for multiple clients across various industries. And the best part? You learn and grow with each new project, constantly broadening your skill set and becoming a more versatile professional. Freelancing isn't just a trend or a pandemic response, it's a viable career path, predicted to constitute 50% of the US workforce by the end of this decade. Recognizing these trends is the first step towards a successful freelancing career. The world is changing, and the way we work is changing with it. The question is, are you ready to change with it? Now, let's delve into the emerging trends in the freelance skills market. The digital world is evolving rapidly, leading to a surge in demand for digital skills. Businesses are on the lookout for freelancers versed in digital marketing, whether it's search engine optimization or social media management. But there's more to it. Skill in content creation and storytelling to engage is equally important. Next, data science is gaining prominence. With data being the new oil, those who can interpret complex data are highly sought after. If you're a numbers prodigy or puzzle lover, this might be your field. Then there's programming. With the shift of businesses online, web developers and programming experts, particularly in Python and JavaScript, are finding more opportunities. Remember, it's not just about coding. Knowing user interface design, troubleshooting, and website security also matter. Amid these hard skills, don't underestimate the value of soft skills. They are crucial in freelancing. Skills like good communication, problem solving, and independence are highly sought after. You need to function as your own boss, project manager, and customer service rep. Keeping up with these trends and continually honing your skills can help you stay competitive. These are the skills that are shaping the future of freelancing. So, what are the top freelancing skills in demand in 2024? Let's start with search engine optimization, or SEO. As the digital world expands, SEO skills are increasingly vital. They involve not just keyword usage but comprehending intricate search engine algorithms to optimize user experience. Next, there's data analysis. Interpreting data effectively is crucial in our data-centric era. This involves examining and modeling data to derive useful insights and facilitate decision-making. Coding comes next. All websites and apps we use rely on coding. Understanding languages like Python or JavaScript can make you a valuable asset in the freelancing world. Digital marketing is another skill gaining relevance. Traditional marketing doesn't suffice in the digital age. It's about leveraging online platforms to market a product or service, reaching customers where they are, online. Project management is also essential. As remote work grows, the ability to coordinate a global team and ensure a project's successful completion is highly sought after. Lastly, we have graphic design. With visual content on the rise, creating compelling graphics is essential. It's key to capturing and retaining viewer attention. So there you have it, the top freelancing skills in demand in 2024. These skills are not solely about being tech-savvy, they also involve understanding the digital landscape and creating value, problem-solving, creativity, and adaptability. Mastering these skills can open a world of opportunities for you. You might be wondering, how can I learn these skills? In this digital era, numerous online platforms provide opportunities to learn new skills at home. You can find courses on digital marketing, data science, and programming on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning. They offer a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical assignments, ensuring you apply learned concepts. For data platforms like Kaggle offer real-world data science competitions, helping you learn while building a portfolio. For programming languages, platforms like Code Academy offer interactive lessons and projects imitating real-world tasks. Though online courses are beneficial, practical experience is equally important. After grasping the basics, consider undertaking small for friends, local businesses, or nonprofits. This experience will help you apply your knowledge and build your portfolio. Networking is crucial. Join online communities related to your field to exchange ideas and stay updated on current trends. Sites like Stack Overflow and Growth Hackers are perfect examples. Remember, learning in the freelancing world is a continuous process, not just about completing a course or a project. Constantly updating your skills and being familiar with industry advancements is imperative. Don't neglect soft skills like communication, time management, and problem solving. They're crucial to freelancing. Improve these interactions, reading, and online courses. Lastly, having a growth mindset key. This means viewing challenges as opportunities and failures as chances to learn and grow. It's about accepting change and stepping out of your zone. Remember, learning freelancing skills is not one size fits all. It's about finding what suits you and putting in the time and effort. With the right approach and resources, you can become proficient in these skills. Don't just take our word for it. Hear it from successful freelancers. We have cherry-picked a few who've not just succeeded, but have become role models in their respective fields. These trailblazers have aced the top freelancing skills of 2024 and have built impressive careers. Alex, our first guest, is a digital marketing maestro with over a decade of experience. He emphasizes, in the world of digital marketing, the only constant is change. Staying abreast of trends and refining skills has been my mantra. Starting from a basic understanding of SEO, I have built expertise in the entire gamut of digital marketing, from content strategy to social media. It's been an adventurous ride, but the returns have justified the efforts. Following Alex, we have Maria, a proficient data scientist who has worked with numerous Fortune 500 firms. Maria recounts, I started in a traditional corporate milieu, but once I experienced the liberty of freelancing, I was captivated. The secret to my success is ceaseless learning. It's imperative to stay updated on cutting-edge data analysis tools and techniques. The demand for data science skills is surging, and I'm perfectly positioned to cater to it. Rounding off our list is Sam, a self-educated programmer who is now in high demand as a freelance developer. Sam shares, I began coding as a pastime, but soon recognized its vast potential. Presently, I collaborate with global clients, designing and managing their websites and apps. The key to success is relentless learning. Be it a new programming language or a trending software, staying ahead is crucial. These tales provide a peek into the realm of successful freelancing. Each of them started from the ground up, picked up the skills, and carved out a lucrative career. They identified their specialization, kept themselves updated, and put in the hard yards. Now, they are riding high on the crest of the freelance wave. Their success can be your inspiration. As we wrap up, remember that the journey to freelancing success is a marathon, not a sprint. Freelancing involves endurance, adaptability, and consistent progress. In this video, we've examined the dynamic freelance market and identified up-and-coming trends. There's a growing demand for skills in digital marketing, data science, and programming. We've touched on the top for freelancers in 2024 and emphasized their importance. We've suggested online resources to help you develop these abilities at your own convenience. Freelancers who've made significant strides have shared their stories for your encouragement and inspiration. The crux of our conversation lies in continuous learning, keeping up with trends, and acquiring diverse skills. The freelance market, like any sector, is not stagnant, it changes with time and technology. To stay relevant, it's crucial to stay updated. This doesn't necessarily mean mastering all fields. It's about being adaptable and open to learning. Each skill you gain is a new tool in your freelancing toolkit. The more tools, the more prepared you are for any job opportunity. Remember, preparation is half the victory in freelancing's dynamic and diverse world. With our discussion ending, let's recall Albert Einstein's words: "Once you stop learning, you start dying." Freelancing is a journey of constant learning and growth. Embrace the change, keep learning, and you'll be well on your way to a successful freelancing career in 2024. We hope you found this video insightful, and it has added value to your freelancing journey. We're sure you have thoughts, ideas, or questions about what we've covered. We'd love to hear from you, so go ahead and drop a comment below. Tell us what you've learned, what you want to explore further, or even what skills you're planning to learn next. Your feedback helps us create content that's tailored to your needs. If you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes motivate us to continue providing quality content. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll be among the first to get our latest videos on freelancing, skills development, market trends, and more. Remember, your journey as a freelancer is unique, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Your success is our success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve as a freelancer. See you in the next video.